More than 75 people were injured, including 7 seriously, when there was a partial collapse of the ceiling at London's historic Apollo Theatre. Authorities say more than 700 theatergoers were watching a performance when the ceiling collapsed.
We initially thought it was part of the play. Then what we felt was debris falling on us, a loud bang, debris falling on us, and then all of a sudden there was like a cloud of dust that came on us.
Authorities say the injuries ranged from head wounds to cuts and scrapes, as well as breathing problems, and city buses were brought in to ferry the injured to nearby hospitals. Authorities have begun investigating what caused the mishap.
Quite quickly we're able to establish the nature of the collapse and to confirm it's been confined to some heavy ornate plastering, typical with what you would expect to find in a theatre in the West End of this age.
I have said that there is no evidence to suggest that there's any criminal act taking place this evening, but we're keeping an open mind. The investigation is ongoing.
The Apollo Theatre was built in 1901 and it seats nearly 800 people. The company that owns it, NYMAX Theaters, described the incident as shocking and upsetting. Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.